So this case is related to oblique plane, means plane is inclined to both the plane. But in this, mainly in the question, one plane का inclination आपको दिया रहेगा और एक से edge inclination दिया रहेगा. So I am quickly reading the statement 10.8. Draw the projection of a regular hexagonal plate of 75 mm side, having one of its edge is in the HP and inclined 60° to VP, and its surface makes angle of 40° with the HP. Okay. So first of all, you are going to assume that your hexagonal plate is parallel to the HP plane because the surface inclination is given with respect to the HP. And also having one of its edge is in the HP means that one of the edge of hexagonal you require to make perpendicular to your reference line. So basis of this two, we are going to draw hexagon. So for drawing the hexagon, we are going to use polygon. Number of sides are how much? 6. With the edge method, how much the dimension is given? 75 mm means 0.75 AUTOCAD unit. So 1, 2, 3. Done. Fine. Now in other view, what you get? A line view. So either you can transfer through this. Okay. Okay, now you can join. Okay, now you have to do the leveling part. So what is the leveling? A, ये आपका B, this one is C, D, E, and F. This point is A dash, F dash, E dash, comma, B dash, C dash, comma, D dash. Done. Okay. Now after that, what you require to do? You need to rotate. आपको rotate करना because with respect to the HP the inclination is given. So this problem we generally solve in the 3 step, as like we have done in the earlier problem 2 step. So first step is remain same, is draw the true shape by assuming the plane parallel to the any of the plane where the inclination is given. Okay, so parallel assume करके आपको और आपके रेस्टिंग कंडीशन को assume करके आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप ड्रॉ करना है. सेकंड स्टेप you need to make the consider the surface inclination. So here the surface inclination with respect to HP is given, so that you need to draw, need to take care. So you need to rotate the line view because आप जब ये सपोज एक प्लेन है आप उसको रोटेट किए, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या मिल रहेगा? फ्रंट व्यू में लाइन व्यू जो कि रोटेट हो रहा है 40 डिग्री में, और अदर व्यू में आपको टॉप व्यू में क्या मिलेगा? अपरेंट शेप. तो आपको लाइन व्यू को रोटेट करना है. Just 1 second, I need to make the point as well as. Okay. Now you can copy this view and take it in other side. Now how much you require to rotate? Inclination is given how much? 40 degree. So just rotate this line considering this as a base. How much? 40 degree. So 40. Okay. Now you have to transfer all the points from this side and then this side, and this intersection point you need to join, so you will get the apparent hexagonal plate. Okay, so line and then line, node, then line, end. Okay, now you have to transfer this point from this side also. So A, then F to F. So AF is lying in this point, is this line. Similarly, E and B lying in this point. Similarly, D and C lying in this point. Okay, so we can mark, so we will get the better idea. This is point A, this is point F, this one is point E, so this one is point B, this one is point C. Now we have to join all this point, and here one more point is point D. So line INT starting from A to B to C to D to E to F to A. Okay, so that's the way you need to make the apparent shape of the hexagon. Now up to two step, you have made the two shape. In the second step, you have taken the surface inclination. Now one more thing you need to take care, that is the 60° to VP. So the edge where it is resting, that edge you need to make 60° to VP. So in this, basically AF, with respect to the AF, basically your plane is resting, because AF you have taken as a base point. That basis basically your plane is resting. So in the next step, AF you need to make 60° to the VP. Means this view you need to copy, and this H, AF or FA you need to make 60° to your reference plane or the VP. So right now it is 90 degrees. So how much inclination you require to do? 30. Because already it is in there 90 degrees. So you need to rotate only 30, considering the point F. So that 30° you have inclined. Fine. Now you have to transfer all the point in above side, and then from this side, and then again make the apparent shape. So this is from up to AF. Okay. Similarly from B, similarly from C, similarly from D, and similarly from line int. Okay. So now from this side you have to transfer the point. So this one is your A. So carefully you have to transfer. So this is become A. Okay. This one is your A dash. So parallelly also you mark the point, it will better. Otherwise you may ended with the wrong answer. Okay. So A we have done. Now B. Yeah, similarly you can mark for F also. So this one is your F dash. Okay. Now again you need to draw the line from okay. So from this E to B. So here is the E and where is the B is this. Okay. So we can mark the point. So this one is your E dash and this one is your यहाँ पे है ना B dash. Okay. Now C dash and D. तो यहाँ पे आपका D आएगा, यहाँ पे आपका C आएगा. तो ये आपका हो गया D dash और ये आपका हो गया C dash. ठीक है. अब all the point you need to join. So F से A. ठीक है. So F से A we have taken. Then A से B. Okay. Now from B से C. Then from C से D. Then from D से E. Then from E से again F. So this is the hexagon kind of shape with the apparent view you will get. It looks difficult, but it's not much difficult because same procedure you are adapting because here the number of points are more. Okay. So that's the way you can get the answer. And if you want, you can delete this projected line and you can show the final view. Okay. तो ये आपको थोड़ा बेटर दिखेगा. Okay. So that's the 10.8. Clear?